Sunbird Straws revolution, transforming agricultural waste into global impact. The modern world finds itself at a critical crossroads regarding environmental preservation and industrial growth. For decades, the global economy has relied heavily on single-use plastics, creating an ecological crisis of unprecedented proportions. Landfills are overflowing with non-biodegradable waste, oceans are increasingly choked with dangerous microplastics, and the carbon footprint associated with manufacturing these synthetic materials continues to accelerate climate change. In the face of such overwhelming challenges, the solution often seems entirely out of reach, assumed to require billions of dollars in specialized research and development. However, the inspiring journey of Professor Saji Varghese and his pioneering enterprise, Sunbird Straws, proves that the most profound solutions can stem from the simplest observations of the natural world. Founded in 2020, this remarkable social enterprise has fundamentally transformed agricultural waste into a thriving, eco-friendly business that addresses both environmental degradation and rural unemployment. The catalyst of a sustainable vision. Every great invention begins with a moment of acute awareness. For Professor Varghese, an English professor by trade, this moment occurred not in a high-tech laboratory, but in the everyday surroundings of nature. He noticed the immense abundance of fallen coconut leaves, a highly common sight in many tropical and subtropical regions, particularly across India. Traditionally, these fallen fronds were considered mere agricultural waste. Farmers and local communities would routinely gather and burn them, a practice that not only wastes a potentially valuable organic resource, but also releases significant amounts of carbon dioxide and particulate matter into the atmosphere. This burning contributes heavily to local air pollution and the broader climate crisis. Professor Varghese looked at this discarded material and saw an untapped opportunity. He envisioned a highly practical way to take this natural, biodegradable byproduct and use it to replace one of the most ubiquitous and environmentally damaging items of modern convenience, the single-use plastic drinking straw. Conclusion: the power of purpose-driven business. The narrative of Professor Saji
Varghese of Christ University saw a simple pattern in dried coconut leaves, naturally curled and straight, and turned it into a game-changing idea: coconut leaf straws. Unlike plastic, which harms the environment, or paper, which gets soggy, these straws are antifungal and last up to 4 hours in your drink. Today, big names like the United Nations and Taj use them. Even better, this business empowers over 100 rural women while replacing more than 2 million plastic straws with a sustainable alternative. Brilliant ideas like this prove that innovation can come from the simplest of
available, completely overlooked resources to solve it. By simply looking at a fallen leaf and seeing a viable, scalable solution to a global environmental crisis, Professor Varghese created a massive ripple effect of positive global change. Sunbird Straws has seamlessly woven together environmental conservation, industrial waste reduction, female socioeconomic empowerment, and robust economic profitability into a singular, highly cohesive business model. As the world continues to grapple with the urgent, existential need for sustainable industrial development, highly innovative enterprises like this offer a brilliant, actionable blueprint for the future. What many considered waste is now replacing plastic, creating jobs, and protecting the environment. They profoundly remind us that the key to healing our planet and empowering our communities might just be lying right at our feet, patiently waiting.